Unika jigs are designed in conjunction with kitchen fitters to offer the latest design features. They are made from 13mm compact laminate and are guaranteed never to warp. They are manufactured on CNC machinery using the very latest diamond tooling to ensure a perfectly smooth finish. Unika offer a technical support helpline. Telephone 0191 259 7876. Unika Belfast Sink Jig is suitable for ceramic sinks up to 1050mm long and from 440 to 515mm wide. This jig will route recesses into worktops for single or double Belfast sinks. It enables you to accurately route a drip channel groove on the underside of the worktop and around the outside of the sink recess. To route a worktop recess for a single Belfast sink, you will need router, 30mm guide bush, 12.7mm router cutter, jig pegs, quick release clamps. To cut the drip channel, you will also require 60mm router guide bush and 5 or 6mm tungsten carbide round nose cutter. To measure the recess and calculate the cut distance, please refer to the instruction leaflet which accompanies the jig. In our example, the recess length is 517mm. Mark this dimension with 2 lines across the width of the underside of the worktop. The recess width, front to back, needs to be 415mm. Insert a peg into the 420mm peg hole. Push the pegs against the edge of the worktop. Use the sliding datum block to accurately line up the jig and the pencil line. Clamp the jig into place, ensuring that the area to be cut out is well supported from below. Route the first slot. Cut in from the worktop edge and never exceed 10mm depth per pass. Now transfer the jig over for the cuts on the opposite side of the worktop, lining up and cutting as before. Sand the edges for a smooth finish. The jig allows you to cut a drip channel on the underside of the worktop. Use a 5 or 6mm tungsten carbide round nose cutter and a 16mm guide bush. The worktop can now be oiled with Unika solid wood worktop oil or solid wood worktop mousse.